Hi kids, good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I am very happy and blessed to be here. I hope you all had a great Easter vacation and that you are healthy and safe. Today we are starting class reviewing the third conditional. So let's go ahead and look at the structure. But this time we're going to be making questions. There are two ways to make questions in the third conditional. You can either start with would or the if clause. Let's review. So the way you can do it is by using would plus a pronoun, have or had, depending on the pronoun, a verb in past participle, the if clause, the pronoun, have or had, and a past simple verb. Now, if you struggle remembering the verbs in past participle or past simple, you can go to your workbook, and the last page of your workbook has a list, and it actually has simple past and past participle verbs. Okay, that can definitely help you with your sentence writing and question making. Okay, so let's go ahead and review the examples. The first one will be for the first structure I gave you. Would you have seen the movie if you had already read the story? So here's would, the pronoun. We are using have because we have the pronoun you. The past participle verb is seen. The if clause, the pronoun, the have or had, and the past simple verb. Okay, you can also start it with an if clause. Let's read the example. If you had gone to school, would you have gotten sick? Here's the if clause, the pronoun, have or had, the past simple verb, the would, the pronoun, the have or had, the past participle verb, and the rest of and some information that you want to add to it to make it make sense. So basically, when you change the structure, you are pushing this to the front and this to the back. That's why the past simple verb is here and the past participle verb is here. Okay, let's look at other examples. So we use the third conditional questions to ask about events that didn't happen in the past. Let's look at these examples. If she hadn't visited the rainforest, where would she have gone? If you had grown up in another country, would you have spoken a different language? Okay. Now this slide is going to help you with your exercise. I believe is exercise 4 in the workbook page you are assigned to do today. So basically they are asking us to change the sentences into questions. They don't give us a structure. They pretty much give us information, a normal sentence, and then you make the question. For example, in number 1, it says, she finished her project on time because her friends helped her. And the question you need to make is, would she had finished her project on time if her friends had not helped her? Here's the would, the pronoun, have or had, because we're using she, the past participle verb, it's the information given here, the if clause. As you can see here, I like this example because it's not the pronoun we are using at the beginning. It's the information they gave you here, but it's also a subject. It's asking about her friends. Here's have or had, but this one is negative, and the past simple verb. Number 2, I didn't go swimming because the water was cold. This is the information they gave us. The question will be, would I have gone swimming if the water had been cold? Here's would, the pronoun, have or had, the past participle verb, the if clause, the subject is talking about the water, have or had, and the past simple verb. So the tip is to read the information and follow the structure given. You change the verb to a past perfect verb and then use the if clause, pronoun or noun, and again a past perfect verb. So number 3, She saw amazing stars when she went to the observatory. Question will be, would she have seen amazing stars if she hadn't gone to the observatory? Okay, so let's take a look at another example that can help you. So we are going to match the questions. I wanted to do it with you guys, but since I'm recording a video, I had to do it before so it doesn't you can see it and it doesn't move around. So basically, number 1 says, if you had slept for 3 hours, would you have been tired the rest of the day? Would you have arrived at school on time if you had woken up at 9 a.m. and I don't know what happened here, it moved. Number 3, what would you have done if you had been in your house alone? Would you have seen the movie if you had thought it was scary? How long would you have waited for food if you had been hungry all day? If we had decided to go on a long trip, would we have been able to travel in this quarantine? So this is an example of what you have in your workbook in exercise 1. So this can definitely help you with that. Okay, kids, well, now it's your turn to do the exercise in your workbook, and have a great day.